So in this video we will see what is pure and impure pipes in Angular. So pure pipes are the pipes which are executed only when the pure change to the input value is detected. A pure change is either a change to a primitive input like a string, number, decimal number or any values, or the change in the object reference. By default, when we create the pipe, it is a pure pipe, and the impure pipe executes every time, irrespective of source has changed or not, and it leads to the bad performance. And it is not recommended to use the pipes for filtering data that is impure. Let us go ahead and see what is the pure pipe with the help of implementation. Let us create a pipe called car. So our pipe car has been created. Let us give it a name car pipe, and it will take the value of type any and argument search as string, and if not value or not, if both of these values are not available, then return value, otherwise return so we will have a search string that will be applied to the array of car name, and the matching string will be returned by this particular filter. Let us go ahead in our app.component.ts. We have search car equals to blank and cars equals to suppose that we have the list of car names. Let us see. And we have a method change value, and we are applying the pipe, that is car pipe, and we are giving the input search car, that is our ng model over here. And we are trying to print the car, and we have a button tabs equal to button, and on click equals to change value. Let us run the application. So we have the list of car values that we have given, and if I am trying to apply filter, then it is working. And when I am click on the change value, so we have Audi and Audi Q7. When I am deleting, so we have Audi Q4 and Q7. Now again I am filtering, so we are getting the three values. So what we have discussed earlier, that a pure change is either a change to a primitive input like a string input and number input, or any other primitive inputs, or the change in object reference. But here we are not changing the reference, we are just changing the value of the particular reference. And if you want your object to be reflected on change of the value of the reference, then what we have to do, we have to create a new reference. Let us say we are creating the new object car, and we are creating the blank object and assigning this particular cars, and new car object first value equals to Audi Q4, and this dot cars equal to new reference. Let us comment this out and run. We have Audi and Audi Q7. When I am clicking on change value, then it is reflecting immediate. So as we said, either change in the primitive input or the change in the complete reference, then the change has been performed with the help of pure pipe. So we don't need to change the reference, we just need to change the value, then it will perform only after deleting the search value. So this is all about the pure pipe, which only perform the change and apply the filtering when the change is happened to the primitive input or the object reference. with the help of creating new object and assigning to that particular reference. In the next video, we will see what are the impure pipe. Thank you so much.